1999.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today you see me all glammed up. What's going on? Today we just gonna do a mini earring haul. I feel like with most of your outfit, like, it's not really complete without like a really bomb piece of accessories. And like, earring is one of those things that make your outfit pop. Like, even if you have on a hat with some big hoop, it does make a big difference. So enjoy, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like, hit that subscribe button and like, yeah. Guys, you know it's not a Riche Latore video if we don't be drinking a glass of wine. So let's jump into this mini haul. And these earrings are from Riche Latore. They're on Instagram. You could hit them up. I'm gonna put it somewhere here. Ads for their Instagram. Riche Latore. They're really affordable. And enjoy this tutorial. Let's go. So the first piece we're going in with is this. And I might have a little struggle because y'all know how it is when you have on your nails and you're trying to put your earring on. Like, the struggle is very real. Alright, this one wasn't so bad. And you guys might have glimpsed it. And like I said, all this earring is from richelatore.com. They have bomb accessories. Like, bomb. What is you talking about? What is you talking about though? You catch the vibe. This is a vibe. We about the vibe. We about this vibe. So moving on to the next earring. So the next one, honestly I forgot what the name of this one was. I'll look it up real quick. I think this is Nubia. Yeah, this is Nubia. Nubia. So what I mean, like, the struggle is very real to put these earrings in when, yes, very real. I personally, you know, I like to have a lot of accessories, because sometimes, like, when I have a certain kind of accessory and then I put it on, I'm like, this does not go with this outfit. So, well, earrings, you know, sometimes you have to switch in between earrings to see what really works for you. But this is called Nubia.
God tell ya, city girl them, yeah. Need you somewhere. You gotta wake up in the morning. I gotta get up in the morning. Why can't we just live in the moment? Now he's just,
yeah. The next one, this is one of my favorite, like my favorites. The C earring. Yep. one day. So like I said, the struggle is real. And what I like about this particular earring is that it's light. Because you know, most time when you put on these earrings, them heavy bad. If them heavy one more time, like really heavy. But this one is like very light, good material. It stayed on the whole night. It wasn't like falling out from being too heavy or poor, you know.
our boss, yeah.
Amen, my God.
I don't know why you always want me to.
This is one of my favorite because this like just make you feel all glammed up. Like, that's it for Mrs. C. Miss C, she bossy out here. I'm doing this well with all my nails on and such. Like, I'm really surprised. Like, I thought I was gonna be like super struggling because, you know, the nail business really real. I might struggle with this one though. These are some hoops, but these are like a for somebody that's like super conservative and don't want like a, you know, like load up the thing. Confusion. I mean, it's not real, but then again, it's not really. What I like about these is that it sparkles. You know, we like the glam. Well, I like the glam. So yeah. I literally forgot what these are called, but you see, they're sparkly.
Sharing, I was your only. I don't know why you always want me to meet you somewhere. You gotta wake up in the morning. I gotta get.
So we're gonna try these little bomb. I like these because they're like really tiny and like cute. Man, I'm so proud of myself for actually bossing these earrings up with these backs with these nails, because I'm retarded with nails. Like, I can't even braid my hair. Really retarded. Who can relate? Comment down below, because one of me are the only idiot who can really do not when time them have on nails. Ooh. Ooh, I love this lighting. I'm loving this. Oh snap. I can't find the hole. Man.
Get up in the morning. Why can't we just live in the moment? Now he's just sharing. I was your only.
Like, it gives me kind of like a Cinderella vibe. Then we gonna do these.
All of the money when me spend by you, then you want to treat me like a fool. Wagwan, real youth, sashes.
This is for the little black dress.
Oh, you wear it well. Be a girl, I run me down, me lock it like a cell. Now you want it to be my friend. Want you all the time, not just now and then. She not fit there, so why would you let her? That one me back, but only halfway. You a cheat with your special, broke you apart. She played with your heart. The truth is so hard, it's a platinum record. Pray to the gods or the lords or whatever. Nothing to change, to hell with the pain. Never gonna sleep. Why you always want me to meet you somewhere? You gotta wake up in the morning. I gotta get up in the morning. Why can't we just live in the moment?
Anyways guys, that's it for this mini haul. I'll leave the link down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, we're done.